Hello, I'm Doug Alberts, and this is my Holdframe workshop. As you've likely assumed, I love animation. I'm constantly trying to explore new techniques and storylines in my personal work, and that is precisely how Bugged came to be. I found myself wondering what would happen if I combined some of my recent experiments in fabrication with my love for 3D, and what would happen if the result was sort of this wild world of silly bugs smiling ear to ear. In this workshop, we will discuss how this concept came to be, the mixed media approach I landed on, and how that was translated into 3D, the role lighting, materials, and rendering played in creating the final look, how I went about creating the stylized fake stop motion look, and lastly, how compositing was used to bring the film all together. I hope you enjoy.